So finally, I don't know. I'm going to meet the boss. Then we'll discuss. We'll discuss with her. Then we'll know the prices and how the process to send goods outside. So luckily she can speak English, so it will be very good for us to communicate.
Our company, we can check the car by ourselves because we have the certificate.
Certificate. Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
The car, you can see here, all the car is ready to shipping abroad and now it's flying to check.
Check in. Yeah.
Yeah, and people here, but it's a
That's amazing. Wow, I can feel the air condition from here. It's really cold here. And the car has the features. You can see the gear, and here like where you can charge, and the dashboard too is really amazing. And there is a sunroof. Wow, the car is really amazing. And like it's like 6 seaters. Yeah. Wow. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Foreigner. On today's video, I'm so excited to share with you guys how Chinese companies send car to Africa and other continents for businesses, and how Chinese company sell and produce or manufacture different types of cars with different brands. This is like a Chinese car. Chinese cars all over here, and there are a lot of things to offer here. Oh. So like I have to tell the client that we arrived so she can pick us all here. There is no doubt that Chinese cars have improved a lot in recent years, but some first-time buyers especially still have concern on their long-term reliability. In all of China, it's only in this channel you can see a video like this. This is one of the biggest Chinese car company where you can buy different cars, new, second-hand, clean second-hand, and the used one here. And the prices are affordable, and they can send it to any country across the world, yeah, worldwide. Whether you are from Africa, US, Europe, these people can send cars to different locations. So finally, I don't know. I'm going to meet the boss. Then we'll discuss. We'll discuss with her. Then we'll know the prices and how the process to send goods outside. So luckily she can speak English, so it will be very good for us to communicate, and you guys can understand the video and the business here. Anyway, here we are. China's car dealers have begun to export used cars to countries such as Cambodia, Nigeria, Myanmar, and Russia, according to China's Ministry of Commerce. Mainly in this factory, there are a lot of cars including foreign brands like Toyota. And of the Chinese brand, BYD is one of the largest car in this factory, because BYD has extended its dominance in the new energy vehicle field, ranking first in electric and plug-in hybrid cars. BYD has a market share of 26% in China pure EV market. Presently shown in the video, the cars in this company are hybrid and electric cars. The hybrid is powered by both an internal combustion engine ICE and is an electric motor, which separate battery for each. An electric vehicle only uses battery. So guys, he's here. So we are going to meet. Let's see the magic. Hello. Ania. Yeah, welcome. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
How is work?
Fine.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, because you are coming, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Because the location is big, so
Yeah.
I need to walk.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, because the company.
Because here is a logistic garden, and this
Okay.
logistic garden belongs to our boss.
Oh, that's
yes,
amazing.
he runs to many brands.
Wow.
Yeah. So we have lots of cars here. You want to see the passenger cars or the construction?
Yeah,
trucks,
yeah,
or
both.
both. Okay.
Yeah, both. Yeah. So which one we're gonna see first? The construction or the car?
Both is okay. What's your country?
I'm from Nigeria.
Okay.
Do you have a client from Nigeria?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have the favorite brand?
Yeah, like this is a Beijing. This is a hybrid, right? Hybrid.
This one?
Yeah.
This one should be EV,
EVIV. Yeah, this one is a petrol.
Okay. This one is petrol. Okay.
Petrol. Okay.
Beijing.
Beijing.
And what about ion? You need a
Yeah,
petrol.
yeah. Ion.
You need a petrol or hybrid or the electric?
Hybrid.
Hybrid. Okay.
Hybrid. Yeah, the petrol. Yeah, because Africa.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Still construction
yeah.
about the electric.
Yeah,
station.
yeah. We are not behind. Oh.
Ion is also good, but it's electric.
Yeah, I like Ion.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to run Ion.
Also
Yeah, Ion. Yeah, Ion.
synthetic.
Yeah, Ion is amazing.
Cards to fulfill the position to
Any-
transport, and then we transport to the Nansha port,
Oh.
Guangzhou port, and then go by shipping to a country.
Oh.
Yeah.
So like
You do the whole process, whole
okay.
chain. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
But if you have your shipping agency, you can use your own.
Okay.
It's okay.
So like is it that you sell cars in bulk, or like you sell car, like maybe my friend wanna buy car,
Yeah.
I can buy one or two?
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay?
Yeah.
So like this one, is it hybrid? No, I don't think. No.
This one should be electric.
Electric, yeah. Oh,
This one also very hot.
yeah, very hot.
Hot selling. Yeah.
Yeah. I think this one like a new model.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because
And Chinese now is more and more people use electric. Because electric is it's cheaper.
Yeah, electric is cheaper and it's more affordable.
Yeah.
And like it's easy to use.
Yeah. And now the car is also very cheap. Like BYD.
Oh
BYD
yeah.
very cheap, I think.
But BYD like is how much?
How much about
Like average?
average?
Yeah.
Maybe from 100,000 RMB to 200,000 RMB around.
So
And we also have high level.
yeah, I know.
Average very cheap.
Yeah. So like BYD is more cheaper than the hybrid, or
Pardon?
like a BYD. In an average, is it more cheaper than hybrid?
Oh, it should be. Yeah.
Yeah,
But
oh.
the hybrid is not very expensive.
Oh.
100,000.
Oh. Close, yeah. Oh. That's amazing.
You need to use yourself or sell to others or
Self, yeah.
sell to others.
Self-driver?
Sell to others.
Yeah.
So for business.
Yeah, for business, I have people that buy like cars and all these truck. Yeah.
So you have the customer there or?
Yeah, I have customers in Nigeria. And secondly, even me, I want to buy a car to my like a brother.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so many things in common. Yeah. So like you even the like automobile of cars, is it for the electronic or for the hybrid?
Which one?
The automobile.
Automobile?
Yeah.
Automobile?
Yeah, automobile. I mean, now we are going to like the main
It's our service station.
service station. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
You want to
Yeah.
sell to the individuals or you sell to the transport company for transport the goods?
Yeah, both.
Or
Both, yeah. Oh, that's amazing.
yeah, this is our customer ID, and now it's will transport to the Nansha port.
Nansha port.
Nansha port is the port of Guangzhou.
Oh.
And it will go to other countries. Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah. And here is also the customer
Book.
book.
Yeah.
They buy it.
Yeah.
And now do the service here, waiting for to do the service. you don't have the license.
Yeah, Gonju,
Yeah,
Changlan
this is
Technology.
BYD.
Yeah, BYD. This Toyota. Wow, we sell Toyota.
Yeah.
But like in average, how is like the price of this Toyota? Like this one.
This one.
Yeah.
This one is Corolla. Yes, Corolla.
Yeah, Corolla. Like the price of Corolla because.
And CC4S, you know?
Huh?
You know this one?
Yeah, I know this one.
This one is also hot selling of this year.
Oh,
哦，不用，等一下先把它。
及时可以看，给钥匙。
好的，好的。
好的。
OK，这个是混动还是电的？
油电的
油电的
啊，油电的，
，hybrid。
Hybrid
钥匙在里面。
Oh. And the price?
This one is about, I think, let me check the accurate price.
Wow,
This is a bit expensive, but it's a
that's amazing. Wow, I can feel the air condition from here. It's really cold here. And the car has the features. You can see the gear, and here like where you can charge, and the dashboard too is really amazing. And there is a sunroof. Wow, the car is really amazing. And like it's like 6 seaters here. Wow.
This one is about 300,000.
3,000 RMB. Yeah.
Oh,
So like
it's the car price.
Car price.
And if you buy this, we can get the tax refund. Tax refund, and we also have the service charge and the transport charge, something like that. But it's around 300.
Yeah.
Yes.
So like this in common, this is like a Toyota.
Corolla.
Yeah, Corolla.
Corolla have many options. Do you want which kind of option?
Yeah, the hybrid.
Hybrid.
Yeah. Wow. So you can see this is how cars are being sent to other countries. This video is a must watch. Yeah.
You can understand Chinese.
No.
130,000
140,000.
and 150,000. It have many options like higher.
40,000. So what of like the smaller one? The other one. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, the other one.
It's different like the oil.
Oh.
108L. Yeah, 102L T. Some difference inside like the
Yeah,
leader,
I
like
understand.
the
Yeah, I
oil.
understand. Yeah, engineer, I understand.
Yeah. But it's around that.
Yeah, it's
you
around that.
You can depends on you. You can have the higher option or lower.
Oh. So like for the other one, Toyota Corolla, this. Yeah, really.
This one.
Yeah.
This one is a Corolla.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's this price I give you. Yeah, about 120,000. This one
120,000
and 20,000. This
RMB.
one should be more expensive. It should be
Yeah.
160. Wait a moment. 160,000.
160,000, 120,000. 300.
Because we have lots of cars.
Yeah.
Nearly all the cars produced in China we can sell. So sometimes you ask me price, I need to check.
Yeah,
Many
yeah.
versions.
So
But
like
this is the whole selling.
hot selling. Yeah. So like do you sell car spare part like spare part of car like things like
Oh yeah. We will sell it.
you sell it?
Yeah.
Oh.
If you buy this one of cars and if you have some needs of spare parts, later we can.
Oh, car service. This is like a okay 4-seater. Yeah.
This one maybe can open.
Yeah, no problem. The car is really good.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, it's really amazing. And, but like for the hybrid,
So you like?
okay, but the hybrid is same price.
Oh, this one only have the electric.
Only
That
have
one
electric.
Have the hybrid, yeah.
Okay, this one have that. Okay, this one all hybrid.
This
Yeah.
one is very popular because all the foreigners buy the Toyota's electric car is only buy this one.
Oh.
Yeah, maybe it's closely fatty, I think.
So this other one is hybrid or electric? The black one.
Hybrid.
Hybrid. Oh. Now I see the difference.
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
budget and your needs,
Your needs, yeah.
the
And like for the sending, like if I want to buy this one, if I want to send it, I have to pay extra money for like the clearance. Okay, any when you do the clearance in China, after it goes to Nigeria, I'm going to do the clearance in Nigeria. So like sending it to Nigeria, the price is it like expensive or
the shipping price.
shipping price? Yeah.
Shipping price. Shipping price.
In average.
In average, it's expensive, but like this card, one how to say, one box can have free. Have free. About, I think now it's about 400 RMB one box. So one is about 150. Oh no, 15,000 RMB for one maybe. Yeah, because the shipping is fluctuate.
Yeah, but when you buy like in bulk, it's more.
The shipping price is more, can be lower, but not very.
Yeah, I understand.
If you buy more, we will give the more discount to you.
Yeah, because basically Nigerians like Toyota. Because it is
we also like this brand.
Yeah. Ethiopia, because it is a very good to minimize, and it can go anywhere you can go, and
Our company, we can check your card by ourselves because we have the certificate.
Oh
yeah. The car, you can see here, all the car is ready to shipping abroad, and now it's flying to check.
Checking,
Yeah, and people there have the license to check. If they say the car is okay, no problem. Yeah, you can
check it.
Yeah, you can have the license and go out.
Yeah.
And the service station, like give the license. Yeah, we can do it here. So our cost is lower than others. Because we can do it ourselves.
Yeah, I can see. I'm happy to find out here. Yeah. I'm really happy because we're gonna do business. Wow, that's amazing.
And this one is BYD E2.
This is like they used to do the check-in by themselves. Yeah, that's amazing.
This one is a cheap car of BYD.
Cheap car of BYD.
Very cheap. Seagull and E2 is
this one is electric.
but this is electric.
Okay, this one is 100k average.
How many kilometers you mean?
Like the price is like
the price is about
100. 100. Wow, that's amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Let me know your guys' suggestion. If you want any information, you can ask under the comment section. And if you want me to do video in anything concerning this content, please write down below, let me know. This is Foreigner. I love you guys. Peace out.